Hello. This Sunday, we come into a bit of an issue because of this coming week after this Sunday is Ascension Sunday. And then in some dioceses, the Feast of the Ascension is moved to the following Sunday. And for that reason, this coming Sunday has a choice of either taking the second and third reading from the sixth Sunday or the seventh Sunday. What I propose to do is to just sort of go all over the field and combine ideas from the fifth, sixth, and seventh Sundays. In this particular diocese in which I'm located, in the Wilmington Diocese, the Feast of Ascension is transferred to what would be the seventh Sunday. So the following week we'll cover that, the Ascension. But right now we'll look overall at the fifth, sixth, and seventh Sundays of Easter, the ideas that are connected in all of them. What I did notice was how much certain themes or words were repeated. The word for these readings, for those 3 weeks, is the word love. I count 26 times the word love is in its noun or verb form used. Then the second thing is the phrase in various forms. Remain in him, we remain in him, and he remains in us. That's said 9 times that I counted. So the connection to those ideas, remaining in him, he in us, love. That's what I'd like to bring out. First of all, we remain in him, and he remains in us. Another way to say that is we live in communion or union with God. Not in union with this world, but in union with God. It leaves us, so to speak, in another world while we're still located in this world. We are at one with God and God with us. Again, the idea of union, communion. We do not belong to this world, but we belong to God. That's something we need to always work at. And that is the struggle, the goal. Because in the end, what our goal is to go to heaven. If we go to heaven, we belong totally to God. And while we're here, we should be working on that in preparation for that one day when we are called to heaven. The second general idea is that Jesus calls us friends. And I interpret that to mean co-workers with him. Bringing in other notions, to be productive with him. He is the vine, we are the branches. Through us, he produces fruit in this world. Through us, he wants to be productive. We are productive because we're connected to him. We belong to him. Joined together with one another. And continuing on in the same vein, his love flows through us, flows into us, changing us into God's children, friends, co-workers of Jesus. He chooses us. We accept his choice to be his children, to be his friends, to be his co-workers. And as his love flows into us, we are changed radically. While still people in this world, we become people of God. The fruit we produce as branches attached to the vine is God's love, flowing out to all people to bring them into God's family. We produce the fruit that is love because it's God who gives us love. We are attached to the vine as the branches, and through the vine into us and out from us comes the love that God gave us. What we receive, we give. And so we ask, give us even more so that we can receive your love and bring it to others, so that we can change and be the loved children of God who are in turn loving. We become love as God is love. That's what the union with the Lord is, the aim of the union with the Lord is. So already, even though we're in this world, it's clear we're His. We do not belong to this world. God love you, and may this wonderful adventure of being the Lord's and doing the Lord's work continue through all of us.